if you're making less than $12 an hour. We need to talk. Okay, welcome guys. My name is Dante with 5 Minute Mornings here, and today we're going to talk about, can you live off $38,000 a year? Can you live off it? Can you pay all your bills? Can you afford to live comfortably off $38,000 a year? Now, where did I get the number 38,000? Well, got the number from povertyusa.org. It was the average individual income from 2020 was $38,122 a year. That means for individuals, the average income in 2020 was $38,122. Now this video is going to talk about, can you live off that? Let's go ahead and break this down into real numbers. Let's go ahead and break this down into actual numbers. Now, $38,122 is $3,177 a month. We're going to take tax out of that. We're going to calculate just a decent amount, average taxes, which is going to take about $703. So out of your $3,177, 703 comes out off top. You're never going to see it. That's directly going to taxes. Now we're going to divide with what you have left. We're going to say you get paid twice a month. We're going to divide that by 2. And what you're going to have left is $1,237 a paycheck, or $2,474 a month. So every paycheck, you're only getting $1,237. For those of y'all who know, just for those of y'all who know, you eating chicken, beef, or shrimp? So if you know what I'm talking about, post it in the comments. You eat chicken, beef, or shrimp? I know some of y'all are going to tell me, that's decent pay, or that's an intro job, or I'm just getting started, or I'm getting back on hard times. Guys, listen, there is no reason you should be making less than $40,000 a year. There's no reason. The only exception I will accept is if you are a full-time student and you're still trying to make it work, at least until you're done being a student. That's the only thing I can accept. That's the only reason. I mean, if you can think of anything else, let me know in the comments that would be acceptable for making less than $12 an hour. Just let me know. We're going to break down this $1,237 a paycheck into we're just going to give you some insight on bills. A lot of you know where I'm going with this. Let's talk about how far that'll go. All right, guys. Most people who have a house payment or pay rent pay somewhere between $700 to $1,000 a month. If you have a car, you pay anywhere from $300 to $400 a month. If you have insurance, you pay on that vehicle. You pay anywhere from $200 to $300 a month. Now, with just those three things, guys, that adds up $1,500 to $1,700. Your first paycheck, if that's all you got, you're broke. Because you'll pay more. You won't even make if those payments are all those payments at the beginning of the month, you can't even make them. So, but that's just 3 bills. Let's move on. Let's say you've gotten both paychecks and you're trying to pay all your bills. So that's going to leave you around $700 left after you pay those 3 things out of your whole check. The average cost of food every month for a U.S. household in 2020, according to the U.S. Department of Labor, was $412 a month. So out of that $700, $412 goes to food. So we'll just round down. We'll round down. We'll say $400 goes to food. Now you got $300 left. Average utility amount is going to be about $400 for a house. So now you're negative $100 if you have a house. If you rent an apartment, it's usually about $150. So now you got another $150 left if you have an apartment. If you're on $38,000 and you got a house right now, you cannot afford it. You can't afford it. And that's just keep getting you your food and utilities. Guys, if you have any subscriptions, if you have any credit card debt, if you have any student loan debt, you're screwed. mean, you're screwed. You cannot afford to pay for it. You cannot afford to pay this stuff. I've been there. I mean, I've been there. When I started my career, I made $34,000 a year. 34. Now I'll put this in perspective. I didn't pay for housing. I didn't pay for utilities. It was all paid by the employer that I worked for. But I mean, I can't imagine having to pay because I wouldn't have been able to. Now I know we're gonna go back to people saying earlier is it's my first job. I'm in college. I'm struggling right now. It's all I can get. But still, we have to try to do better than that. You cannot live comfortably. You're going to live your life stressed. You're going to have health problems. You're going to be extremely stressed. You're going to be mad at people. You're going to be arguing with family. You're going to be thinking that the world just has it out for you. You're just not going to be happy if all you make is $38,000 a year. So we're going to just answer that question right now. Can you live off $38,122 a year? That's enough. There's no way you can live off it. There's just no way.